Let's do some math, Kitty.
We're talking about fractions, and the top number is called the numerator. The bottom number is called the denominator. Denominator indicates how many pieces there would be to make a whole set. Say if you bought a pizza and the pizza was cut into 8 pieces, 8 equal size pieces. The denominator would be 8 because that's how many pieces it would take to make an entire set. The number on top, the numerator, is how many pieces you actually have. Say somebody came along, like your bigger brother, and just gobbled up 3 pieces of pizza. Say, bigger brother, quit eating so much. So how many pieces do we have left then for little brother? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is what your numerator represents. 5 out of 8 pieces are available for little brother. So hopefully little brother's hungry. Well, what if there were 2 pizzas and we invited friends over and those friends ate some pizzas? So this pizza would be divided into the exact same number of pieces, so they're the exact same size of pieces of pizza. So we decide, hey, we have 8 friends and we're going to give each friend 1 piece, so each of them will get the exact amount of size of pizza because they're all cut in the same sizes. So say 4 of those friends were not hungry. So 4 of the friends ate their piece, 4 of the friends did not. That would mean that you still had 8 pieces to make a whole, but now 4 of them eaten, 4 of them are not. So 4 would be your numerator. There are 4 left over out of the whole. And say mom's like, okay, you guys, time to clean up from the party. Let's just get rid of the extra boxes and squish whatever leftovers are left into the same box. Well, can we do that? Let's find out. There's 5 pieces on this pizza. There's 4 pieces on that piece of pizza. When you add them together, you don't add the denominator. That's just telling you what size denomination these are cut into and how many it takes to make a whole. You leave that the same because those are the same size. They're cut into that size piece. You add the numerator. 4 plus 5 is 9. So that would mean that you have 9/8. You have 9 of these pieces. Well, 8 of them makes a whole pizza, so you're going to have 1 piece left over. So can you squish that? Can you like shove it in and make it fit? No, that would be improper. So we're going to represent this 1 whole pizza that has 8 out of 8 as a number 1, and you have 1 left over. Well, so there's 8 over 8, which is represented by the number 1, and there's 1 left over. So your answer actually is going to be 1 whole and 1/8. So you have a whole pizza with 1/8 of a piece. Kitty. Anyway, so if you try to add these 2 pizzas together, you would get a whole one and a piece left over. Because the numerator represents how many you have, the denominator represents how many you started with to make a whole. And we changed the answer from being improper to proper. We can properly fit this into a pizza box and this into a Tupperware container. Woohoo!
Oh no, this one has a shotgun. Oh, it's crouching, I think. I just need to see.
Okay, so review. The numerator is the number on top, which is how many pieces you actually have. The denominator is the number on bottom that represents how many pieces it would take to make a whole. So if I had this pie, cherry pie, yum, and I cut it into 8s, and my husband said, oh, that looks really good, I'm going to eat this piece, and my older son's like, I'm going to eat that piece. I was like, okay, well that's fine, but how many pieces are left for me, because I'm super hungry. So that would be 8 minus 2 pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces left. I had 8 to start with that would make it an entire pie, and now I have 6 left. Okay, and then if I had another pie, like an apple pie, in your son's like, well, I like apple better than cherry, so I'm going to eat 3 of these. Okay, I cut it into 8s, and 3 of them are gone, so how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, out of the 8 pieces of apple pie, I have 5 left. How do we figure out how many pieces we have? Well, we add the 6 pieces of the cherry plus the 5 pieces of the apple pie. You can add them together because they're cut the same size piece. They're cut into 8s, this is the size that we're going for, we don't add that together. That just tells how many pieces would make a whole, so don't change that. We're just adding